Aimed squarely at those who would like a DSLR, but are on a super strict budget, the 4000D is the most basic DSLR in Canon's EOS lineup. As it stands, you can pick up the older 1300D at a cheaper price, but whether Canon will keep that in the lineup too much longer remains to be seen. After a while on the market, the price of the 4000D may also dip below the 1300D. It features all the basic specifications you'd expect from a DSLR: large APS-C sensor, optical viewfinder, manual control and so on, but makes a number of compromises to keep the camera as cheap as possible, including a low-grade screen, plastic lens mount, and a lack of features which are usually pretty commonplace on other models such as touch functionality, 4K video recording and even a dedicated on/off switch. The 4000D is designed to hook in those first-time buyers who don't have a lot of cash to splash but are still keen to explore the world of DSLR photography. As such, the design and features are about as basic you can get. While corners may have been cut somewhat in the build quality of the 4000D, at its heart is a sensor which is more than capable of producing pleasing images, the most important thing for anybody new to DSLR photography. Here are some shots which show exactly what this camera is capable of. Full HD video is available, which is suitable for those looking to record home movies and so on. Our recommended choice for first-time DSLR which offer more than the 4000D, too. For capturing your enchanting moments, click on the below link.